Before we get into it, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to hit 5K and I need your help. Also, follow me on Instagram. There I post healthy intentional living tips and more about my businesses. Now, back to the video.
Good morning, good people. It is Sunday, first official day of vacation, or it is Monday, first whole day on vacation in our vacation house. I am going to try and get a tour of the house, but when we came in, it was like pouring rain and there was a lot of things going on, so I couldn't get a proper house tour, so I will try to get some footage of it. We shall see. But it's a really nice house. It's just like a big house with a pool on like a lake, so I'm feeling crappy this morning, just like emotionally unstable, like why do you have to have a day like that on vacation? But it's okay. I'm gonna get myself out of it. So hopefully, the Lord is gonna help me get myself out of it. I'm just gonna, do my best not to stay in like a funk, basically, and do things that I enjoy doing that make me feel excited. So I'm gonna get up and I'm gonna fix some breakfast. And what else did I write? I wrote a to-do list in my book. Oh, I want to edit a video and probably set up my planner. I think that's what I'll do. So, yeah, I'm just gonna do things that I enjoy doing. Gonna try and get in the pool today as well, but we shall see. Yeah, I'm just really not feeling it. But I told myself I wanted to try and vlog, so not try. I wanted to actually vlog my whole vacation, so I'm going to do it. That's happening. They may be short vlogs, but they're gonna happen. So. And I know that I'll feel better about it. Like I said, like I'm in a crap mood. I feel crappy, and but like if I do things that I know that I enjoy, do things that I know that I like doing, that will help me. That'll like help my mood. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna organize the crap out of it on my computer. I may not be able to edit just because. Okay. So that's the TV. So like my plan was to like use my computer, like I have one of those little box computers from Apple, and use my computer on the TV like to edit and stuff. But the fact that it's so far away and like up on the wall, it just makes it hard. Like I don't know where I'm gonna sit. I wear glasses already, like my eyesight isn't amazing, so like to be able to edit and it be so far away, I don't know if it's gonna be doable for me and enjoyable. But what will be enjoyable is we'll be getting footage and like putting it on my computer and organizing it by the day, so then when I get home and I'm sitting at my own computer comfortably, I'll be able to edit faster. That's the goal. So it's gonna happen. But I'm getting up, gonna get up, throw some clothes on, fix some breakfast. Let's do this. You sleepy? How you sleepy? You just woke up. It's nighttime here on vacation. It happens once a day. Today was okay. So, not a bad day, you know? We're just battling my own emotions and my own feelings. So there's that. I apologize to the children in the background. They are in the pool. And I'm just sitting out here. I'm about to turn my computer on, actually. And probably watch some YouTube videos or some Tiny House Nation. One of the two. I did edit a video today, which made me feel great. Set it up to upload, and it won't upload. So that's okay. I mean, I'll just upload it after vacation. It's not something I wanted to do, but I wanted to have it uploaded this week because it's a back to school video and school starts in 3 weeks. So I was like, okay, I want this video to go up, and it's not going up. So anyway, it's fine. Everything's fine. Like I said, I'm just going to watch the children and relax, watch some YouTube, and just chill out. Thanks for watching this vacation vlog.